Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable dark mode in Outlook email. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will load your inbox and give you access to all your email settings and customization options. After your emails have fully loaded and you can see your inbox, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience, including themes, layout preferences, and notification settings. Once the settings window opens, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed there, and you want to click on the one labeled General. This tab contains all the basic configuration options for your Outlook account, including appearance settings, language preferences, and display options. Clicking on General will expand additional options within this category. Now, under the General tab, look for an option called Appearance and click on it. This section specifically controls how Outlook looks visually, including the color scheme and theme settings. When you click on Appearance, you'll see the different theme options available for your email client. If dark mode is currently enabled by default, you'll notice it's selected here. From the appearance options that are now visible, simply click on the light option. This action immediately switches your Outlook interface from dark mode to light mode, giving you a brighter, more traditional email viewing experience. The light theme is easier on the eyes in well-lit environments and provides better contrast for reading emails during daytime hours. After selecting the light option, make sure to click the Save button located at the bottom right part of your screen. This step is crucial because it ensures that your preference is retained and applied across all your Outlook sessions. Without clicking Save, the changes won't take effect and you'll remain in dark mode. And that's it, you've successfully disabled dark mode in Outlook email and switched to a lighter, brighter interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.